Well, you're going to want to look for a few signs. One of the things you might notice, just a little bit more fatigue, a little bit more tired, more tendencies to fall asleep in certain situations, just maybe sitting down in the afternoon or relaxing, movies in front of the TV, you know, that daytime tiredness thing. Some people even get a little more drowsy when they're driving because it doesn't require a lot of effort, right? But the only for sure way to know is to get a sleep test. And there's lots of things you can sort of try and predict or make things more likely, things like weight gain and neck size. But we found that there's a whole variety of weights and sizes that can actually have this condition. So if you suspect anything, like whether it's severe snoring or tiredness, morning headaches, any of those things, not all of them, but any of them, then a sleep test is something you should look into doing.